Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can open your first ever crypto wallet and what you have to consider. So I'm gonna be doing this with the Rainbow wallet, but it works with any wallet. It works with the Trust wallet, with hardware wallets. The concept is always the same and I'm gonna walk you through this step by step. So right now I am on my girlfriend's phone and I'm gonna show you how to download a wallet now. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our App Store or your Play Store. It really doesn't matter. You will find it anywhere. And then you download a wallet. It also doesn't matter what wallet. I normally use the Trust wallet or the Rainbow wallet. So just type in Rainbow wallet and you see the first thing that you will see here, Rainbow Ethereum Wallet. I don't know why it's so lowly rated. I don't know. I'm quite happy with this always. You can just get it. It works the same with any wallet, whether it's a hardware wallet, whether it's a browser extension or anything. I'll just walk you through the process of setting up a wallet. So I'm going to click open an application and then you'll see an interface where it says I already have one, where you basically then need to enter your seed phrase. I made a video on what a seed phrase is exactly as well. I'll put the link into the description. Or you can hit get a new wallet. Now once I hit get a new wallet, right now it says creating wallet. Don't lose your wallet, save an encrypted copy to iCloud, backup manually. So right now the wallet is telling me backup manually. These words are the keys to your wallet. Write them down or save them in your password manager. So I do not recommend you guys to save it in your password manager, yeah? Write them down on a piece of paper and store it somewhere in your room where you will not lose it. Especially if you have a lot of money on there, you do not want to lose this, okay? So what I will do now is I will say show recovery phrase. So right now you will see 12 words. If you use a hardware wallet, it's going to be 24 words in most cases. They're randomly generated and I'm just showing you the top 2 ones, even though I'm not using this wallet anyway. So even if you can somehow access it or see it in some reflection, I'm not using this wallet anyway, so you can do this. You won't find anything on there. But basically what you want to do, you will actually see 12 or 24 words there and you'll have to write them down on a piece of paper and then store it somewhere secure, because this is your ultimate password to your wallet, okay? So this is really important. And then you hit I have saved these words and then you will see, okay, I'm on my wallet right now. So I can click here. Okay, this is my address now, and now I have created a wallet. And as I said, the process is the same whether you open a Rainbow wallet, a Trust wallet, or whatever. You'll always have to write down the seed phrase and never store it somewhere on your phone or whatever, because if your phone does get lost, people can access your wallet, and no matter what amount of money you have on your phone, people will be able to withdraw it and send it to themselves. So you don't want this. Just write it somewhere on a piece of paper and lock it somewhere in your room where you will not lose it, yeah? And then you have your wallet here. This is obviously now the Rainbow wallet. I do prefer the Trust wallet. So if you guys want a wallet recommendation, then just use the Trust wallet. It's a bit nicer, I think, from the interface. This almost looks a bit messy, I think. But here it will tell you, okay, to get started, buy some Ethereum with Apple Pay. You can obviously do this, but if you do want to buy Ethereum, it's going to be cheaper to buy it on Binance. I'll put the link into the description to sign up for Binance for free, and then you will pay lower fees for the transactions, yeah? Just as a quick tip. This is how the process works to opening your wallet. You see, it's really simple. It's basically only about the seed phrase, and this is important. Don't lose this and keep it safe. I would even recommend you to learn it by heart if you can. I know it's a bit of work, especially if it's 24 words, but I think it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, smash the like button and leave a subscription to the channel. I post daily videos, mainly about crypto, sometimes about traveling as well. I'm currently on my mission to visit every country on the planet. So if you want to join me on this adventure, make sure to join my little YouTube channel community. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.